Oh, Jim, look at this. So many beautiful rocks. That's a nice thing to find on my way out. Hi everybody, it's Kate from KatyDid, and it is early November. We're having an unseasonably warm day. The wind is calm, the sun is shining, and we're back on the river. I'm really looking forward to seeing if we can find anything good. Come along. So we just beached the boat. Jim literally just got out and found the first agate of the day. He thinks he's so mighty. It's just a pretty little piece of agatized wood. Hello, Kava. I know you want to go back on the boat, huh? She is kind of prancing around a little bit, isn't she? There's my first agate of the day. That's a dark one. Pretty. I love it when it's all lumpy bumpy like that. I am seeing signs of someone else looking for agates.
I hate to interrupt.
Oh my gosh, look at that! Oh, Jim, that is just fabulous! Oh my goodness, what a beautiful agate that is! Oh, wow! Oh, what a great find! See?
It was nearly buried.
Oh, good for you!
That's the best agate I've ever found.
That is really, really nice. You should be very happy with yourself. Now that doesn't wash off very well. But look what's on this side. Oh, it looks like a little butt. Nice. Boy, that's kind of almost opaly. And it's got all these little bitty bubbles in it. That's really cool. I think he's caught the bug. Look how pretty this is. Oh, wow, look at that. Oh, man. That is such a beautiful fortification agate. I thought it was a water line when I first picked it up, but look at those rings. This is a piece of Jasper agate, I think. Wake up, little squirter. And it has these really interesting lines right here. And then breccia and silica. Gosh, this thing just has all kinds of stuff going on. Yeah, this is one of those that you're not gonna see what it is until it gets cut. Oh yeah, that's the Jasperlicious Jasper that I'm looking for. That'll be really pretty. You know those Jaspers are like absolutely gorgeous. Oh, Jim just walked over this one and I said, you just walked over it, and then he squirted it off and I'm like, no, and he was like, ah. But look at the dendrites in that.
Ooh,
that's nice.
That is
it's
nice.
Not super big, but it is pretty. Ooh, yeah.
Oh, that's gonna be lovely.
Yeah, you don't want anything that has cracks in it. Check this out.
Where? Hang on, I can spot it. Ooh, can I spray it?
Yeah, you can spray it. Oh, wow, look at this piece. Look at that chunky, chunky chunk. Oh, wow. That is just gorgeous. Wow. That is just beautiful. Chunky, chunky, chunky.
We're gonna have to empty the bucket.
Kava was just standing in the boat saying, okay, let's go. I'm not really sure what her deal is. Maybe she just doesn't like the rocks. But anyway, I wanted to show you this piece of petrified wood because it is just so pretty. So pretty with the colors. This is a really unusual color for the Yellowstone petrified wood, and I bet it'll just slice very, very beautifully. Yeah, I think we're gonna wait for Jim to get back here and see if he can spot this agate. Meanwhile, can you see it?
Sorry.
Oh, that is so pretty. Yes, agatized wood. Mm-hmm.
We would have missed it if I hadn't dumped the bucket into the boat.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good job.
That's the only reason
All right, I have a
over
rock that you need to find.
there. I need to find it.
Yep.
It's around here somewhere. Looking. I bet Kava's in the way. That's why I can't find it.
Kava is in the way.
Out of the way, Kava. I'm not seeing it. Where is it? Ah!
It's gonna need to get dug out.
I think so.
Oh, this looks like a good one. Can you squirt it? Oh,
gosh, that's
chunky,
a nice
chunky,
one.
chunky, chunky.
Look at that.
Oh, man. This is such a great beach.
That's just...
Fall agate hunting is the
Wow.
best. That's what I have to say. Oh man, we're finding some nice dendrites today. Look at this one. Yeah, it's kind of messy. Sandy, sandy, sandy. It's a little bit cracked up, but I'll take it. This looks like a piece of driftwood buried in the sand. Sounds like a song. This is quite fascinating. It's not an agate exactly. It's almost more like a lace agate. Wow, look at all the stuff in there. Here's another one of those plumy jaspers, and this one looks like it's got, oh my gosh, it looks like it's got all kinds of silica and different colors. Oh yeah, I think I'm being rewarded for sending one off. And right next to it, sort of, is a little agate with some bots. Looks like maybe some lines in it. We'll wash that off. I picked this up because it's green jasper and I thought, ooh, green jasper, but look at this. Green and blue jasper. Cool, huh? This is a really good example of why this is quartzite and not an agate. If you can take a look at the surface here, you can actually see the crystal structure.
Oh yeah.
And so agates are what's called microcrystalline, which means you can't see the crystal structure without a microscope. So that is quartzite, and that is nothing. And that's kind of nothing too. Oh, you found one. And oh, it's another chunker. Oh gosh, we're finding so many with really nice dendrites today.
Look at that. Oh man.
That is just gorgeous. Oh look, it's got a little quartz pocket there. I love that.
That's gonna be a
That
lovely
is so neat. Kava has been standing in the boat and whining at us ever since we turned around. She's really trying to get us to get back on the river because she gets so bored here. And we're almost there. But since we're so close to the boat, I thought I would pick this up. This is what's called a septarian nodule, and this is kind of a mud fossil. And, well, it's a mud ball that sometimes has fossils in it. And it got broken up and then cemented with, I think this is calcite. I'll have to look into it and see for sure. But when you slab these, they actually come up kind of cool, and this one would fit well on this slab saw, so I'm going to give it a try. Okay, I think we should get back on the boat and go back to that island.
Okay, but I think you're leaving rocks on the beach.
It's okay, we got to leave some for somebody else.
I don't know what that is, but...
Oh, wow. I don't know what that is either, but it has all kinds of little fortifications. Oh, little eyeball things. Oh, that is going to cut so beautifully. I don't know what it is, but it's pretty nice.
I knew it wasn't an agate, that's all I knew.
Well, we're in the middle of the river and we're trying to start the motor again. It'll start eventually, but this is always the exciting part of the journey. See? I told you it would get on eventually, and here we go! Well, we landed on the island where I have been wanting to go for a couple years now. Unfortunately, the water is very, very shallow right where we landed, so I'm not sure how we're going to get back out again. But we're here, so let's see what we can find. Jim's all mad because I made him leave the other beach where we were finding lots and lots of things to come to this island where we're not really finding very much just yet, because I had wanted to go to this island for a while and just kind of check it out. And he was finding lots of great stuff over there. But you know what? I'll bet there's great stuff to be found here on the island too. You just have to be a little patient. Right?
Well, I was just saying, there's a few we could have kept if we had a bucket with us.
Well, why don't we have a bucket with us?
Somebody left it on the boat.
Really?
Which is out in the middle of the river.
That is very sad. But look, there's an agate right here.
Too bad we don't have a bucket.
See what I have to live with. That's a pretty little one. Sandy, sandy. Now this is cool.
What the heck is that?
It's a piece of lava.
What's it doing here?
Well,
there's no volcanoes in Montana.
There used to be. That's how all this stuff got here. Isn't that cool? Well, I think it might be. Yeah, I think so. But it's an agate.
Yeah, okay. The island stop wasn't a total waste.
Go for it. Oh, Jim, look at this.
Oh my.
Isn't that
just sitting right there on
just
top?
sitting there, yeah, and was a little bit covered with silt, but look how beautiful that is. Just cut the base of that off and polish it up.
It's gonna be gorgeous.
Well, Jim was right. The island was a bust, more or less. I found a couple nice things, but mostly we didn't find much. And I didn't bring the bucket, so now I'm in trouble. Actually, we had a great day. We really enjoyed ourselves. I hope you did too. This is Kate from KatyDid. Keep on doing.